Come here, let me give you a little secret. Fashion trends, they come and they go. You just should be focusing on classic items that are going to help you elevate to the next level. So of course, my name is Brendan and welcome back to ElevationStyles YouTube channel. Thank you for helping us reach new levels in 2024. Now we're reaching into 2025 and we need to keep pushing and elevating to the next level. And we can only do that by you supporting ElevationStyles social medias and of course the YouTube channel. But of course, thank you very much. So briefly, what I'm trying to say is you as a guy should stop or avoid the few good fashion trends that are happening at the moment and only focus on the ones that are going to help you provide value to you and the people around you. So we're going to be talking briefly about fashion trends that feel good now, but you should completely avoid. Let's get into this video. So for trend number one, I'm going to be bashing into you guys that do your own DIY jobs. So this is making holes in your t-shirts, be doing some adjustments on your shorts. I used to do this as well actually back in the day. But if you're that guy, stop doing this right now. Firstly, if you want to do any adjustments, just go to the tailor. I've said this before. And then secondly, put away that scissors and just completely stop, because these clothing items, they're going to get wrecked. And yes, I used to think this as well. Oh yeah, I can wear them in the summer, it'll be grand. But now everyone is wearing classic silhouettes. This is just going to make you stand out in a bad light. You're going to be looking like a hobo, like a homeless person. Imagine walking out here, you have a top that's full of holes or jumper full of holes, or even you have a crop top and you did it just doesn't look great. If you want to create that rule of thirds, tuck things in, pin them in, you're good to go. Trust me, I've been there, bro, and I don't want you to experience what I've experienced. Crop it like it's hot. Now for trend number two, paint splattered clothing. Hear me out here. I used to have a pair of black jeans from Hera, London, and they used to have the paint splattered, and I remember these jeans, like they were super skinny, you know, and they used to have the paint marks on them, and I used to wear them with the white shoes, the white McQueens, you know, back when everyone used to wear the McQueens. And man, I thought I was the top G back then. I was like, I used to look myself in the mirror and be like, man, I look good, like. But now looking back, I was like, what was I thinking? Like, but this is exactly what I'm trying to help you out with, bro. These trends, they come and go. In the moment, it feels amazing. But now looking back, you're like, what was I doing? And if you wear paint splattered jeans or paint splattered clothing out there, people just look at you like there's something not right with you. So just avoid paint splattered clothing. Before you buy clothes, just ask yourself, okay, this trend looks great now, but what about 2, 3, 4 years down the line? Like, shout out to Hera London. They still do make amazing jeans, but you won't see them advertising them paint splattered jeans anymore. I learned from this one here. Now for the third trend, if you're still wearing bootcut jeans in 2024, like what is going on? Bro, like listen to me. Unless you want to become a cowboy with your bootcut jeans and your cowboy boots, cowboy hat, yeah, fair enough, you do that. But other than that, just avoid bootcut jeans completely. They're not going to suit your body shape. Go for slim fitted jeans, straight legged jeans. They will do the job. I wouldn't say get rid of them completely, because I know there's a couple of bigger guys that might actually look well in them, but like for most of us guys out here, including you and me, like bootcut jeans are not going to look best on us. So just opt for, of course, dark wash jeans, but stick to slim fitting jeans, straight legged jeans, and trust me, you look great. Now for the fourth trend, it's going to be square toed dress shoes. These are my biggest enemies, and guess what, they're currently in style at the moment. Don't fall for the trick, my bro. Guess what, square toed dress shoes go well with the ill-fitted suit, but a good tailored suit goes well with your brogues and Oxford. Do you see how the two of them go well together? Completely avoid these, and these are in trend at the moment. I see a lot of celebrities wearing square-toed boots, square-toed shoes, and I'm telling you, it will die in 2025. People now have noticed the patterns, and I've been looking at the future trends. Everyone now is focusing on classic silhouettes, so that's why I'm telling you to just start picking up your wardrobe. Like I've always been telling you, get the classic silhouettes, classic pieces. These are coming in. People are not focusing more on vintage style, and I'm putting you on game here. You should be paying me for this. I'm really putting you on game. Now for the next trend, of course, I have to talk about oversized clothing. Now hear me out. I don't hate oversized clothing, but the only problem with the oversized clothing at the moment is it's just right in your face. Oversized t-shirts, oversized jeans, oversized hoodies, oversized everything. If you wear too many oversized clothing items, the clothes are gonna drown you. And I don't want you walking around here like this. Like, you know, like, bro, like, it does not look well at all. So you can mix some of your oversized clothing with some of your fitted clothing items. Bring balance to your outfits. Bring proportion to your outfits. That's what I would recommend. You can wear well-tailored clothing items that are comfortable. Trust me, I do this here. Nice tailored outfits, comfortable. Look at some of my pictures on Instagram. I'm comfortable. Same thing with the skinny style trend that used to happen, and I was mad into that. Skinny jeans, the muscle fit tops, and then the big shoes. Like, it's similar enough to what's happening here. It will die out eventually. So I cannot finish the video without talking about accessories, and at the moment is the micro sunglasses. There's the white ones that I've seen people wearing and they look like swimming goggles. Okay, let me know in the comment section down below if I'm like clued in about what I'm talking about, but like, they don't look well on most people. Don't get me wrong, like, this is a trend and I've seen people wearing them on the runways, but for you and me wearing this, like, it's not gonna look well. I've done a video about the sunglasses that are gonna complement your face shape. Have you even watched that video? So go check that out. Like, I'm trying to put you on game here. I'm trying to make you walk outside and feel confident, or whenever you're driving your car, you feel like, oh yeah, man, like, I have nice shades on. They complement my face shape, but not like having shades that are making you squint, no eye protection, and you're like that, oh yeah, but I feel like I'm ASAP Rocky. Sure, look, if you're ASAP Rocky, do your thing. So that's it now for the video. If you want to bash me, yeah, bash me in the comment section down below. And sure, look, we can have a little bit of a back and forth down there. No, we can just have a bit of a discussion. But thank you very much for watching the video. So hit the like button, like I said. Thank you very much for the support that you're showing Elevation Styles. Help us now reach 3,000 subscribers. Why not? We keep elevating to the next level. Here in Dublin, Ireland, when people type in elevation, something with the word elevation in it, we should be the first thing that come up. So that's what I'm trying to aim for. So I will see you on the next video. Peace.